AI is changing the way students study, learn, and even survive school in 2026. And honestly, if you're still doing everything manually, you're probably wasting hours every single week. In this video, I'm going to show you the best AI tools every student should be using right now, from note-taking and research to presentations, studying, and productivity. These tools can literally save you time, help you get better grades, and make school way less stressful. Let's get into it. First up is ChatGPT. At this point, ChatGPT is basically the ultimate student assistant. You can use it to explain difficult topics, summarize long articles, create study guides, brainstorm essay ideas, solve math problems, practice interview questions, and even generate flashcards. The key is learning how to use it properly. Don't just copy answers. Use it to actually understand concepts faster. For example, if your textbook explanation makes no sense, ask ChatGPT to explain it like you're 12 years old. Or ask it to turn your messy notes into a clean summary. It's like having a private tutor available 24/7. Next is Notion AI. If your school life is chaotic, this tool is a game changer. Notion AI helps organize your notes, assignments, schedules, and projects all in one place. You can instantly summarize lecture notes, create to-do lists, generate study plans, and even organize research papers automatically. Instead of having 10 different apps open, everything stays in one clean workspace. A lot of top students now use Notion as their digital second brain, and honestly, once you start using it, it's hard to go back. Now let's talk about Grammarly. Writing essays, emails, or assignments is way easier with AI-powered writing tools. Grammarly doesn't just fix spelling mistakes anymore. In 2026, it helps improve sentence structure, tone, clarity, and even suggests stronger vocabulary. It's basically like having an editor checking your work before submission. And if English isn't your first language, this tool becomes even more powerful because it helps your writing sound polished and professional instantly. Another underrated tool students are using is Perplexity AI. Think of it as a smarter version of Google. Instead of searching through 10 websites, Perplexity gives direct answers with sources attached. This is incredibly useful for research projects, essays, and finding reliable information quickly. It saves so much time because you don't need to dig through random articles trying to find one useful paragraph. And the best part is that it actually cites sources, which makes researching way more efficient. Now let's move to studying tools. One of the best AI study apps right now is Quizlet AI. Traditional flashcards are still effective, but AI-generated flashcards are on another level. You can upload notes, PDFs, or lecture slides, and the AI instantly creates quizzes, practice tests, and flashcards for you. Instead of spending hours making study material, the AI does it in seconds. This is perfect for exam season when you're overwhelmed and short on time. Another powerful tool is Otter AI. If you struggle taking notes during lectures, this tool is a lifesaver. Otter AI records lectures and automatically turns speech into organized notes in real time. That means you can focus on actually understanding the lecture instead of trying to write every single word. A lot of students miss important information because they're too busy typing notes. Otter solves that problem completely. Next is Canva AI. Presentations used to take forever. Now AI can design them for you in minutes. With Canva AI, you can create professional presentations, infographics, resumes, posters, and study visuals without needing design skills. Just type what you want, and the AI generates layouts, graphics, and content ideas automatically. This is especially useful for group projects when everyone waits until the last minute. Now here's a tool that's becoming extremely popular in 2026, Motion AI. Time management is one of the biggest struggles for students. Motion uses AI to automatically organize your calendar, assignments, deadlines, and study sessions. Instead of manually planning your week, the AI builds a schedule for you based on your workload and priorities. It's basically like having a productivity coach inside your laptop. And honestly, this might be one of the most useful tools on this list because most students don't fail from lack of intelligence, they fail from poor time management. Another must-have tool is 11 Labs AI. This tool creates realistic AI voiceovers and audio narration. Students use it for presentations, language learning, and even listening to notes like podcasts while commuting or working out. Imagine turning your study notes into audio summaries you can listen to anywhere. That's a huge productivity hack. Now let's talk about coding and STEM students. GitHub Copilot is becoming essential for programming students. It helps write code, fix bugs, explain functions, and speed up development. Instead of spending hours stuck on one coding problem, Copilot can guide you toward solutions much faster. But again, the goal is not cheating, it's learning more efficiently. AI works best when it helps you understand, not replace effort completely. Here's something important though. AI tools are incredibly powerful, but they can also become distractions if you depend on them too much. The smartest students in 2026 aren't using AI to avoid work. They're using AI to remove repetitive tasks so they can focus on learning faster and thinking better. That's the real advantage. The students who learn how to use AI properly today are going to have a massive edge in school, jobs, and basically every future career. Because AI isn't replacing students. It's replacing students who refuse to adapt. So if you want to stay ahead, start experimenting with these tools now and figure out which ones fit your workflow best. And trust me, once you start using AI effectively, studying will never feel the same again. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment which AI tool you want to try first. And if you want more videos about AI, productivity, and future tech, stick around because there's a lot more coming soon. Thanks for watching.